To begin assembly on the pull knob assembly, we'll grab the main housing, grab each one of these, and it will slide in like that. So we'll slide each one in. Making sure that the hook goes inside. Once they're in, we'll take our snap rings and slide them on each one of the posts so we don't forget. I've left these open just enough so that they stay on the post, but are open far enough where they'll be able to slide over top of the back of the pull knob. The end of each pull knob has a groove in it that will accept the crimped in O-ring, or excuse me, snap ring if you will. Then we'll take each one of these, sliding these in so that the grooves will line up accordingly. I'm not sure if you can see that. You're lining them up so that the grooves line up and keeping it in, and sliding them in. Okay, now that they're in position, we can go put the springs on them. For the last one I zoomed in to show you. What you're going to be doing is hooking it onto the one part, which you can see there, stretching across to the other spot, and now you're locked in. All the other ones are done. At this time, we'll put this flat bar into the assembly so we don't have any of them trying to fall back out. So like I said, that slides into the back and move it over. What you could usually do is just drop in your 832 flatheads and then position this over there and then begin to screw it in while you hold it in with your fingers. Before we can put the pull knobs in, we have to remember that this has to go in too. And this goes in. Remember, we're upside down, and the anti-cheat gears go on the left side. So you want to put it into this orientation and drop it in and kind of slide it out of the way a little bit as best you can, because it's going to get in the way.